Hello, I'm Remy Diani. I'm the General Manager of Agrumaria Reggina, FZ LLC, for the region, Middle East and Africa. We are excited to participate in Gulfood manufacturing this year, where we have a good opportunity to serve our customer with a cost-effective solution and innovative citrus products. We are looking forward to meet all our partners and customers and plan to grow together into the region with cost-effective and innovative products.